Hello and welcome to Trading 5 Talents. In this video, I want to give a quick update on how this paper trading bot using the iron fly strategy, as well as making it a directional iron fly, how that's working out over on Option Alpha. So just as a quick recap, what I did with this particular iron fly bot was I was using the 5 and the 14 EMAs of SPY, and I'm only opening the iron flies on SPY. They were a much shorter DTE. I believe the expirations were 3 to 5 days, and the longer expiration was 5. Yep. So just a 3 to 5 day DTE iron fly. And if it was in a bullish trend in which the price of SPY was greater than the 5 EMA, which was also greater than the 14 EMA, then I would simply center the strike price of that iron fly above the current market price. And you can see for a bullish center strike, it was $3 above the current market price of SPY. And then conversely, for the bearish iron fly, if the price was below the 5 EMA and the 5 EMA was below the 14 EMA, then I would center that iron fly's strike price, that center iron fly strike price, $3 below the current market price. And then if it was somewhere, if it had some mixed signal with the price and the EMAs, then it was a neutral iron fly. And then I would simply just do an at the money iron fly 3 to 5 DTE. And these were all 10 strikes wide. So that's how the scanner works for entering these iron flies. And the way that I would exit would be right here. I would either exit at 10% of the credit or negative 20% credit loss, or simply 1 day before expiration. And then I'm waiting at least 1 day to avoid pattern day trading. Now, since this is only a 3 to 5 DTE trade and I'm not exiting that first day or the day that I open it, that means the DIT or the days in trade are going to be relatively short because I'm also exiting a day before they expire. So I just wanted to show you an update of the results that I am getting with this particular bot. So back here on the dashboard, you can see there's a steady increase in profit. This is my closed P&L. Again, this is a paper bot, so this is not live money. 42 positions, 78.6% win rate, and you can see 33 wins with 9 losses. My average win is $59, average loss is $108, and that really corresponds to basically taking profits at 10% or having a stop loss at negative 20%. So it's a very quick trade. If we look over here in the positions tab, you can see, so this one is open today and it's negative 37 right now, but you can see the DITs. So the days in trade, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. I mean, most of these are going to be 1 day trades. Every once in a while you get a 2 or 3 day trade, but most of them are very, very quick. This one was a 4 DTE. That was probably my longest one. And you can see that was also the largest loss as well. So I'm getting about 10% sometimes. For example, like this one just happened a few days ago. You can see it was almost a 25% return. And the reason is because it hit at least 10% the day it opened, but because I waited a day to close, by the next morning, it actually was in much more profit than the 10%. That triggers the exit options, so it closes at, I think, 9:40 a.m. Yeah, 9:40 a.m. yesterday for 24.7% profit. So one other thing I wanted to show you on here that is new on Option Alpha, if you haven't used it yet, but if you go over to the Positions tab, come over to Analyze up here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to look at this this one right here, this bot right here, my directional iron fly bot. And you can see the P&L is graphed just a little bit differently. It looks nicer because there's a lot more green than red, but you got the same stats over here. You've got some more stats and metrics over here. So here, DIT, the average is 1.5 days. So it's a very, very quick trading bot. You're only entering in 1 a day, and that's every day of the week. Let's see, what else can we glean from here? They're, of course, all iron flies, and I'm only trading on SPY. But one thing I did want to note was I tag each of these positions, whether it's a bearish iron fly, a neutral iron fly, or a bullish iron fly. And so, as you can see, there are only 2 that were traded, the neutral and then the bullish. So with a neutral iron fly, my win rate was 87.5%. With the bullish iron fly, my win rate was 76.5%. Of course, they're still really good, but these are where my losers were. So the reason I wanted to point that out is because it hasn't opened a bearish iron fly yet. So I want to keep on running this particular bot to see if, when the bearish iron flies open, are we still getting the same type of win rate? And if so, then this would be a really great bot for all market conditions. It's short. You realize your profits quickly. You don't leave too much risk on the table because of your stop loss. And you can enter every day. Therefore, you're probably getting profits every day. And it's good for all market conditions. So I'll keep you updated. Be sure to subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave them down below. Try to get back to them as quickly as possible. Until next time, trade wisely and take care.